Mabuhay! Good day, everyone. My name is Lindale Benguet, and welcome to our virtual tour of La Trinidad Benguet, the renowned strawberry capital of the Philippines. Today, we'll embark on a journey through the town's vibrant culture, stunning landscapes, and its famous attractions. Sit back, relax, and let's explore the scenic gem of Northern Luzon together. Our adventure begins with a little history. La Trinidad, named after the wife of Spanish commander, has a rich cultural tapestry woven by its indigenous Ibaloy community. Known for its lush valleys and temperate climate, La Trinidad thrives as an agricultural hub, producing strawberries, flowers, and highland vegetables. It's a perfect blend for natural and cultural heritage. First up, we head to the iconic strawberry fields. Here, farmers cultivate the freshest strawberries, which you can experience picking yourself during a visit. These bright red berries are more than just treats. They symbolize La Trinidad's identity. Did you know that Trinidad held the record for the world's largest strawberry cake in 2004? Our next stop is the colorful STOBOSA Hillside Homes, an art project that transformed plain houses into a vibrant mural inspired by Brazil's favelas. This masterpiece celebrates the creativity of local artists and residents working together to brighten up the town. It's a great photo opportunity and a testament to community spirit. Next, we visit the Serene Bell Church, a Taoist temple located at the border of La Trinidad and Baguio. With its intricate Chinese architecture, lush gardens, and peaceful ambience, the temple is a place of reflection and capturing beautiful photographs. For adventurous souls, let's virtually hike to Mount Calugong Eco Park. This park offers breathtaking views of La Trinidad Valley, limestone rock formations, and picnic areas surrounded by pine trees. The perfect escape for nature lovers and a great place to connect with the environment. Imagine yourself standing on a cliff, feeling the cool mountain breeze and looking at a sea of green. Doesn't that sound relaxing? No trip to La Trinidad is complete without tasting its unique strawberry wine and other local products like jams, pastries, and handicrafts. These are perfect souvenirs for to share a piece of La Trinidad with your loved ones. As you plan your future trip here, make a list of the unique treats you'd like to try. Thank you for joining me on this virtual tour of La Trinidad. I hope this journey inspires you to explore the town in person and experience its beauty, culture, and warmth firsthand. Remember that Trinidad is more than just strawberries, it's haven for nature, art, and tradition. Until next time, happy exploring. See you on our next adventure.